Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a great meme. To make a good meme, you have to find an image or GIF that's funny and relatable at the same time. For my reaction image, I'm going to choose a VeggieTales template, but obviously you can choose whatever memes you like. Tip number 2, you want to avoid using bad templates. Just don't use them, they're like the first thing people are going to see when you look at your meme. So it's critical that you don't choose these kind of memes. The only exception is that your meme is ironic. For example, this meme is not funny until we do this to it. Now it's way more funnier because it's bad. So the last tip I'm gonna give you is that you have to come up with a good caption. A good caption is funny and relatable at the same time. Right, that's the whole video. Bye.